Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I had created one playlist to learn the AI agent and how to learn the AI agent. But before that, in my previous video, which I had explained what is AI agent and how AI agent will help us, and the roadmap which I had shared. But now I'm going to talk about how we'll set up the environment to create AI agent. So in this video, I'll be explaining you to how to install the AI ADK agent development kit to develop AI agent, and what all are prerequisite is required to uh, come up with your setup. That I will explain in this video. So stay tuned with me, and I'll explain you like how we'll set up. So make sure you have one of the IDE like Visual Studio Code or maybe some other IDE. Other than that, you have to install the Python. Make sure and the Node.js the version should be higher level like more than 20. These are the prerequisites. Then you have to install your ADK, right? So let me show you how to install ADK in your local environment. So let me yeah, this is my Visual Studio Code. Let me pip install and then Google ADK. This is the piece of command to install the ADK. So ADK is installed. So whether ADK is installed or not, how we'll check? So let me check. Only you'll put ADK and hit enter. So it will show you these are the command which you will use to use in ADK agent development kit to create agent, API server, start the first API server for agent, create a new app in the current folder with the pre-populated agent template, and how to deploy agent to hosted environment, and evaluate an agent given the eval set, and run an interactive CLI for a certain agent, and web first starts a fast API server with web UI for agents. So these are the command which you can use through ADK. So mostly first we'll use the ADK create in the next video. How to create AI agent I will show you in the next video. So I hope the prerequisite and environment and installation you can able to install easily with this command. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.